The history of Elizabeth Grant is really interesting because it was founded by my mother-in-law, Elizabeth, just after the Second World War. Her skin was damaged by bomb blast and she started a company because she was looking for something that would help her skin. And she found this incredible compound, Tericillin. So let me fast forward to today. When Elizabeth came to Canada, we set up Elizabeth Grant again. We made the decision that we would sell our products primarily on television because that was an incredible opportunity for us, because how else could we get the name Elizabeth Grant out to so many people all at once? Elizabeth and I, and now my daughter Margot, we are a team of 3 women, and each brings to the table their own passion, their own history, and their own incredible knowledge. And that's what makes Elizabeth Grant so great. Being a global company, we want to make sure that the product that we put out always has exceptional standards. If I have a factory in which skincare is being produced, I want to make sure that anybody can come and visit us at any time and that the floor will always be clean and good manufacturing practices are being followed at all times. And we've achieved that.
Behind me you can see a production line doing exactly the main activity in here, filling up cosmetic products in containers, labeling, encoding and packing for shipment.
Every single thing that we make has to be lot coded and has to adhere to the standards that are required internationally. When I learned about Domino from our operations manager, it just hit every point that we needed. They've never let us down.
Domino servicing is actually one of the requirements that we are looking for when we choose equipment. So it's an excellent service 24/7. I know these technicians for a very, very long time and I get the greatest help from them.
Everything about Domino's machines work. And not only do they work, but they've kept up with technology, allowing us to manage our lines and to be more efficient. And efficiency on a factory floor is absolutely essential.
As our business is growing, Domino is my best help in encoding for Elizabeth Grant. On behalf of Elizabeth Grant, thank you, Domino.
So from Elizabeth Grant, 3 generations of women, I really want to say thank you, Domino, because truly, you've made our life easier on the production floor.